Oh, man. You know, sometimes you just want to do some really crazy stuff, man, for whatever reason. I don't know. You know, just for whatever reason, man. But, it just depends on how crazy you actually get, man. You know what I mean? Especially sometimes when you think, sometimes when you think about a certain person, it just makes you want to do crazy things, man. I mean, really, really crazy things, man. I mean, shit that's like fucking insane. Why? I don't know. How far are you willing to go for somebody that you love? How far are you willing to go to show that you love that person? How far are you willing to go for yourself? How far are you willing to go? I'm willing to go pretty far. Really far. But again, how far are you willing to go? What are you willing to do? Can you prove your love? Do you know what love is? I know what love is.